Can you tell us your story?
Yes, I can. I started seeing Dr. Russ in early May. I have suffered with fibromyalgia for the past 14 years, in a lot of pain and discomfort. I also fell back in February, at which time an MRI was done, and it was discovered I have bulging disc in my neck and in my lower back. And so the main treatment was for the fibromyalgia, but it's also helped with that difficulty as well. But I've been to numerous doctors for the pain and discomfort from the fibromyalgia. I've tried medications that did not work. I've suffered a great deal over the years with this, but it's amazing what the treatments have done for me in the past
2 months.
2 months that I've been here. And it's just absolutely wonderful. I can't describe the difference in my attitude, the way I feel. It's wonderful what this has all done to me.
Are the treatments comfortable?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
They're very comfortable. I mean, at first it was a little bit of discomfort until my body adjusted, but it's great now. I enjoy it.
And the changes we asked you to make at home, were they terrible, or could you very, very tolerable?
Very tolerable, and I think the supplements in the diet as well have helped tremendously.
Very good.
They really have.
And just on a side note, that you came with some dizziness that you'd had for...
Oh, for 2 or 3 years probably that I've had dizziness, and that's gone within 3 weeks of treatment. I'm not dizzy anymore. It's wonderful.
Which is nice, and yeah, and your husband loves it, and you're
Yes.
going to enjoy life. So
Yes.
it's been a pleasure having you, and we'll see you again here in the short future. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.